I'm going to explain about my lab assignment of the microcontrollers and its application task 5. So in this assignment we have three questions. So one by one we are going to discuss. Coming to the first question, here we need we need to write an 8051 ALB to transfer data from port P0 to P1 continuously. Okay, so this is the question, and the tools required a Keil software obviously. And next algorithm, these are the 10 steps for the given following algorithm, and this is a flowchart and the program, and you can see the Excel sheet tabulation. Okay, and I have been attached Excel sheet link in the PDF file, and this is a manual calculation. This is a graph you're going to obtain in the Keil software. So I've been executed the code in the Keil software. So I have attached the snapshots of the before execution and after execution of the snapshots. So you can see a before execution snapshots, and this is after execution. And also see, you can say, like I told in the previous slide, we going to execute the graph. So this is the wave. Okay, this is a wave we've been got in the Keil software. Okay, so you can see clearly. Next, coming to our inferences. So here we have been find out the machine cycles and all the amount of memory required, and also address modes are used, and what type of instruction used, like how many types of instruction used, and everything have been clearly mentioned in this PDF. And also what we concluded at the last, like we have been obtained the waveform by that the view is obtained by using the Keil software. So now coming to our second question, like here we need to write an 8051 ALP program to transfer data from port single port from P12 to P17. Okay, so tools required a Keil software and IC. So these are 12 steps for the given following question, and this is a flowchart for the following question, and this is a program, and also tabulation file have been attached added in the Excel sheet. So I have been attached in the Excel sheet link in the PDF file, so you can see clearly. So this is some theory. Next, coming to the code execution, like I executed this code in the Keil software. Like and also I attached snapshots of before execution and after execution snapshots have been clearly mentioned here, so you can see clear. So I got this view. I mean, this is a graph I got, so you can see clearly. Next, inferences. So what we concluded. So here we have been concluded that the period of machine cycles, and also amount of memory required, and also the time required, and also addressing modes, like what type of addressing modes we have been used, how many addressing modes used, what type of instructions used, and how many flags have been affected. So hence we concluded that the we will receive data from a PC and to be displayed on a port P2 is done through Keil software, and results are verified manually. So next, coming to our third question, like here we need to write a program of 8051 using interrupts in a way of that receives data serially and send to it to P0. Have P1 port rate and transmit it seriously. Okay. Now, like we have been tools required are the Keil software, and this is the 21 lines are there algorithm, so you can understand how big one this is. And also this is a flowchart for the following question. This is a program, and also I've been executed this, and I made a tabulation in the Excel sheet form. So I've been attached an Excel sheet form in the Google PDF file, so you can see. Next, coming to the manual calculation. This is a manual calculation. I did the both manual calculation and as well as in the Keil software we got the outputs. So this is a graph we have been got from the manual calculation. Exactly same graph we are going to obtain in the Keil software. So this is the snapshots have been attached before execution and after executions. So you can see clearly this is the graph we got, and this is the code of the following question. This is the graph we got. So both manual and software we got the graph. Okay, simply we can call as a wave. So these are the wave. So what we concluded, like find the period of the mission cycles. I mean, amount of time required, total amount of time required. So everything have been concluded. Next, so what is our result is, like we have been performed in a one single line code done by Keil software, and results are verified manually. So I have been shown both the results, manual results and Keil software results. Okay. Now next, coming to this is a Viva questions. I have been wrote my Viva questions here. So you can see Keil software. I have been executed these Viva questions and the following programming questions in the Keil software, and got these are the results, and this is the tabulation for the given following question. So I have been attaching the Excel sheet link in the PDF, and also will be attaching in the description also. You can see clearly. Okay, so what we concluded, so what are the inferences and everything have been concluded here. So this is some another part in our question. So this is another part. Okay, thank you.